What's up everybody? Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling this 36-inch wide Husky storage cabinet. Take your bottom panel and it should just drop right in. So I'm just going to skip to step 2 real quick, just to attach these on here so this doesn't keep falling down and I get all frustrated. Because I'm doing this all by myself, so. Next is to put the back panels on, and they advise us to tighten those screws by hand. Do not tighten. Why not? Everything fits in well. Well, that's because you'll want to wait until you put the doors on. I think it needs a little wiggle room to make sure that everything is square. So resist the urge to tighten these too much. Yeah, that worked. Using the foot thing worked. It looks like everything lined up pretty well from the get-go, just maybe a little bit of wiggle room here, so I think I'm going to go ahead and tighten up all my screws here. So I'll be honest with you, I was going to actually skip this step because I just thought I'd slide it in, put the shelves in, but it kind of wants to fall a little bit forward, and they give you a great tool for affixing it to the wall, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to move it back into place. Sometimes the doors might get misaligned. All you have to do is just go tighten up the bottom, get another person maybe to hold it up and adjust the feet at the bottom. The shelves, pretty easy installation. You just use these brackets right here. Now, I got confused because I saw this bracket too. I was like, but it's not even in the directions. Overall, it's a pretty easy installation. I know I messed up a couple times, but hopefully my mistakes helped you out. And I like to say, if I can do it, you definitely can. We'll see you next time.